Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna do this panda design, and this is the finished product right here. I don't know who the original creator was of this design. This is the picture that I pretty much copied. It's been posted on social media so many times that I don't know who the original person was, but here we go. We're just starting. I'm using the hair design stencil so that I can draw it out first, but I did not like what I was drawing, so we're erasing it with some aftershave. And I wanted to put it a bit closer to the center of the back of his head. It was way too close to his ear. Make sure the head is dry. And yeah, we're just gonna start with the frontal area, like the nose and eyes. Put a lot more attention to detail there, and then we can worry about the back later. The back is very simple though, but yeah, I would like to start in the frontal area, nose and eyes, and I'm rough drafting the nose and eyes a lot. This entire design, before editing this video, it took me 1 hour and 10 minutes, a little less than that, but that's how long it took me. I charged him $80. He gave me $100. He's a repeat customer of mine. I do a lot of designs on him. But yeah, we're just gonna keep on doing some details. You'll see the eye get readjusted a little later, and it'll make a lot more sense later on. So we're just gonna let the video roll for a little bit. So we're pretty much done drawing the entire design. As you can see, I'm very good at blocking the camera. And we are gonna get to doing the whole outline now. I like to use, this is my favorite trimmer for doing designs. I like to use the Andes Slimline Pro LIs. They have a very small, short head, so you're able to fit into tight corners and stuff, and it's perfect for designs. But for general haircuts, I really prefer the Andes cordless outliners. The corded ones work just as good too, but the cordless ones, they're very, very nice. It's a good thing not to have that cord. But yeah, pretty much we're just gonna leave everything that's supposed to be black, and everything that's white we're balding, just like a panda. doing designs, I would really recommend that you check out a video I got coming soon on tips and tricks for beginners with designs. I got a video coming real soon on how you can get better with designs. Honestly, a lot of it is just repeat and you know, just imitating other barbers. I copy other barbers all the time. Right now, I'm done with the Panda, but I'm adding a bit of a freestyle, like a flame on the outside of the Panda. But apart from that, I will imitate every barber out there. I really don't care. I will copy every barber, and I really don't mind if people are like, oh, I did that, you know. I don't care. I'm doing it my own way. I'm doing it myself. I've never done this Panda, and I'll copy 100 designs if that's what it takes. Eventually it'll be a design that's in my portfolio. I guess the best way to put it is just to say that we gotta learn from other barbers that have already done designs like this. So if you're new at doing like freestyle designs, I would recommend you go on Instagram and you take a look at like 10 different freestyle designs, and you kind of copy as many as you can, and you make it your own style, your own version. There's my baby. She wanted to be in my YouTube video. And yeah, just imitate it and do it your own version, your own way. I'm pretty sure the original creator wouldn't mind, and if he does, well, I mean, he's a little salty. But this is the tip that I have. You should try and imitate other barbers if you're new at doing designs, or even if you're skilled. There's nothing wrong with that. So right now I'm adding a lot of shaving gel. I'm adding a lot of shaving gel, and you gotta add even more. A lot. Don't be stingy with it. You want a smooth shave there, buddy. And just keep on going and add a lot. Massage it in. I like to use shampoo blades. Those are my favorite razor blades ever. Very smooth razor blades. I recommend you buy those in bulk. And we're just gonna start shaving the entire outline and everything that's white pretty much. So we're just gonna let that roll for a little bit. You guys can see how smooth it is. I am using the Detailed Barber's blade holder, which is a very nice blade holder. It's my favorite blade holder, the best blade holder I've used in a very long time. I have not used a better blade holder. It's very light and it has a very good grip on the blade. I ended up asking my client, David here, what design he wanted, because he told me I could do whatever he wants, which is what I love about this client. And I told him, oh, we can either do a Goku or this Panda. I really wanted to do the Goku, but I had a feeling the Panda would be a bit easier too. But he thought about it, and he went with the Panda. I guess he thought Goku was just a little too childish or something. Panda needs to whiten his teeth, so we're gonna do that for him. But this design is almost done. We're pretty much done, almost. And you know, I would just say, you know, this is the tutorial with the hair design stencil. So I recommend, if you have not done a design with the stencil and you're planning on doing real big designs, you guys should really check the stencil out. It's gonna help you be prepared with doing huge designs. You're able to draw out the design, and you're gonna avoid making mistakes, because mistakes, oopsies, as PewDiePie calls them, you do not want to make an oopsie doopsie. Okay. Oopsie, I messed up your haircut. Right now we're adding a little bit of a color enhancement, but now that I look at it, now that I'm done, now that this client has gone home, I think I should have added a bit more color enhancement. I should have made the black more black, because with designs I think it's totally fine to overdo it with color enhancements. But that's it, we're pretty much done here. This is it. This is the end. We're nearing our journey, the end of our journey. And yeah, this is it. I've never done this design before, but I'm real happy to have it in my portfolio. If you've not tried the hair design stencil, I really recommend you do try it. It is a game changer. I would not be doing designs without it. It is literally a lifesaver. And here's plenty of other designs that I've done with the hair design stencil. I've done this Buffalo Bulls design. You'll see a Sonics and a Bulldog and an elephant done real soon. So yeah, it's very, very handy. And that's the blade holder too. So subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see more. Hit the like button. It really helps out my channel. If you want to check out the hair design stencil and a few other tools I got, like metal stainless steel combs, you can check out my website, link in the description. And I really appreciate you guys for taking your time to be here. Thank you very much. Peace. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. I am always commenting back, checking my comments.